Welcome to Keeprix. This video will help you learn the basic information of Keeprix Video Downloader. First of all, the software can support Windows and Mac systems. Open the software, we can see that it is divided into two areas on the left and right. The right area presents the platform of video players that the software supports downloading and the basic information of the software. You can see the purchase and activation buttons in the upper right corner of the software. Click Activate, enter the activation information and click to activate. After activating successfully, you can here to cancel the authorization. Click here to view the basic introduction of the software. Select the language, check for updates, and submit feedback when you encounter problems using The left side of the software is the function area, where you can click to download videos. You can view the progress of video downloads and change video download settings. The software supports two ways to download videos: copy URL links and download videos from the built-in browser. The following are the video players supported by the software, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney, Hulu, Max, YouTube, TikTok. After you download the video, you can click Download List to view and manage the video, such as pause, remove, start all, pause all, cancel all. You can click Completed to view the downloaded videos, open folder, delete the folder, and clear all records. You can click the settings to set the basic information of the video, such as video format, resolution, and so on.